I have already installed Android 14, so I don't like it because it's too much slow, little bit slow. It's already have Android 14. Android 14. So I want to install the custom no, stock room again. So press power and volume down button. Press both button at the same time and wait. Wait. Okay. And connect it and come to PC. Assalamualaikum. So okay, write Redmi 9A MIUI ROM. Just click this one, the first one, MIUI room.org. Okay, so if you want to global, China, Indonesian, Russian, Turkey. So the latest one is this. It's for global. It's MIXM main MI mean for it's for global. If you want, so I have already this one. So if you want to install the whole room, so this uh, if you want just recovery mode, so you can install both. So it's for fast food. Click and download it. I already have it. So wait, I have this one. So first of all, you have to extract this one. Extract. Okay. So come copy and first you should I sorry I have not mentioned. You should download platform tool. You should download platform tools. It's from GitHub. I already have this one, so I don't need again. I think this one I have platform. Yes, this one R3 31.001. Copy and go to here and paste. Extract. Okay, sorry. Uh, well, yes, this one. Copy or cut and paste here. So I already installed, so I'm skipping this. Okay. So come to again. Sorry. Okay, copy these files and paste and see platform tool. I have already pasted, so I don't need it again. Okay, now come to mobile. Come to C and platform tool and write here CMD. Okay, okay, just fast write fast boot devices. So first of all you have to check it is connected or not. Okay, it's connected. Okay, it's connected. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one mean if you want that your data should not be deleted, so this one, and don't press this, otherwise it will lock your phone. So don't. I want to delete this file. If you want, don't delete it. Okay, press this. Sorry, open this file and start. Just wait. The system.